Hey guys, welcome to a Short Class with Dad channel. This is my brother Colin. I'm Max, and my dad's behind the camera today. Today we are going to be working on our Pappy's Ranger, and we are going to be doing an oil and filter change. Hey Max, are you ready to do this? Yep. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. This one's in place.
Come down. Hang on, slowly. Cool.
Right here, right?
Yep, that's fine. Alright, so like on Dad's truck, you've got an oil fill right here. Okay? See? There's the oil fill. Here's where you check the oil.
The dipstick.
The dipstick, that's right.
And then
the filter is right back here. So we'll have to pull the air snorkel out of the way. Here we go, guys. That easy.
it looks so
Pull the drain plug. Doesn't it?
It does.
Pull the drain plug and let her drain. Okay, while it's doing that, we'll go up top and we'll pull the oil filter out. Go ahead and twist this out of here. It's the oil filter. It's going to make a little mess because it's upside down. In order to lubricate this O-ring here, what are we going to do?
Dip our finger in the oil and then put it all around.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and do that? Just on the O-ring. Okay. We're going to pour a little bit of oil in there. And then I'm going to go reinstall it. All right, guys, how tight we get this? Hand tight. There you go. Colt, you ready for me to move the drain pan?
I am.
Go ahead, reinstall it. All right, the wrench is over there. You can grab the wrench, change the direction on it, make sure it's tight. Tight?
Yeah, as tight as I can get it.
Give it a rinse. Clean it up.
Yep.
It's all good and clean?
Yep.
Okay. All right, Colt. While I put this breather back on, why don't you give us a recap of what all we've done so far?
So we drained the oil, redone the filter, refilled this, and
We refilled it with how much oil?
2.5 quarts.
Very good.
2.5 quarts.
Sounds good. All right, once we get this breather reinstalled and we get our wires back in place, plug wires back in place, we'll let everything back down off the jacks and this project will be finished.
And then all we have to do is just take it back to Pappy.
All right, good job.
Thank you.
Good job, Max. All right, guys, good job.
Watching. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe
to catch us on another video.